Hi, Mr. Novak here, and another not so award-winning video on using your calculator. My focus is on identifying the points on the circle a little bit more accurately. So let's just set one up as you was instructed by Mr. Farragut. That's menu option. Easiest to go 3, 3, 3, 1. Uh, Type in the features. So I'm going to have a center of 2 comma 1. So that's -2, tab y minus 1. Remember the opposite of -2 and -1 is 2 comma 1. And I want a radius of 4. So it could look like 16, but remember 4 squared is 16. Press enter and we have our graph. I think it's a good time now to move that away. So grab it with your hand and move it to a safe place. So to identify the points, all you have to do is go menu, and that's 8 for geometry, menu 8 and 1 for points, and 1 again. So it's menu 8, 1, 1. And all you have to do is go to a point and highlight. So I've highlighted the center. We'll come back later for the coordinates. Now, as you can see, there's the coordinates of the point as I go around the circle. Oh, something happened there. I'll come back to that. When it identifies a key point, it will eliminate the coordinates and tell you what it is. So there we go again. There we go again. Now it's disappeared. And that's because we're at the north section of the circle. And that's an important point. Moving along, the coordinates come up again, and when it stops, which is there, press enter, or tab, sorry, press tab, and then moving along, there's again, and finally, as long as we're on the circle, and we have identified the four north, south, east, west section of the very important vertices. To get the actual coordinates, we just simply go menu 1, 8. So the other one was menu 8, 1, 1. This is menu 1, 8. And all we have to do now is go to each of the points. So let's go to there. Highlight it. Now it says, it gives you the option as where you want to put that. Okay. So I might want to put that over here. Just remember that was the center. Now, I wonder what the coordinates of these are. Clearly, this would be still on the same horizontal line. So it's the only thing that's changing is the x. And remember, the radius is 4. So let's go to this one. And sure enough, there you are. The x changed by 4. What about if we go to the other way? Yes, it actually subtracts. So the coordinates of the east and west is the x plus or minus the radius. 2 minus 4 is -2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. What about the y? I'll pause it for a moment and see if you pause this and see how'd you go. So let's continue on. I'll go that again. Menu, that's 1, 8. Point. I'll put it this time there, and let's go here. And sure enough, there you are. The x value now stays the same because it's on the vertical line, and the y adds by 4, and this one subtracts by 4. Finally, of course, some key features are, of course, where it cuts the x and y intercept. I'll just do a couple of those. So remember, it's menu 8, 1. Oops, press again. Where are we? Okay. Escape. Menu 8, 1, 1. And when I go back on the circle, when it finds a point of intersection, it will say so. I'll find one more. There's another one, but I won't do that one. And this one here, point of intersection. And then we back to menu 1, 8. to work out the coordinates. And of course, these ones are a little bit more trickier. There you go. So that's how you identify key points on a circle. Um, so don't remember to work out the east, north, south, west. It's really a simple pattern. It's the center plus or minus the radius. 2 plus 4 is 6, 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 1. 1 plus 4 is 2, 5. 1 minus 4 is 2 minus 3. Hope that helps.